Question number 1. What he says? A tower stands vertically on the ground. You have seen any tower which is standing, which is lying horizontally on the road? Tower will be vertical only. Vertical is what? Y-axis straight. Horizontal is this one. Clear? Vertical, and this is what? Horizontal. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Okay. We'll draw some rough diagram to see whether we'll get an idea from that. See, when you are going for solution, we are drawing one thing. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Imagine this is your ground. It is standing here. This is one tower. You have to take a straight line, right? Now this is what tower. Tower is standing vertically on the ground from a point which is 15 meters away from foot of the tower. From a point which is how much away from foot of the tower? This is your foot of tower. This is your point. From a point which is 15 meters away. How much distance he has given? How much this is? From a point which is 15 meters away from foot of the tower. Distance between point and foot of the tower is what? 15 meters. What is saying? Angle of elevation of top of the tower is what? 45 degrees. Now this is foot of the tower. This is what? Top of the tower. Yes or no? Foot of the tower and top of the tower. What is saying? From a point which is 15 meters away, angle of elevation of top of the tower is what? 45 degrees. Someone is standing here and he is looking at top of the tower. When you are looking top of the tower, that becomes what? That angle becomes what? Angle of elevation. When I am here and I am looking at top of the tower like this angle is what? This angle is called as angle of elevation, right? Right? This is what? How much he gave? 45? Understood? After doing this, what he is asking? What is the height of the tower? This is your tower, complete tower. Yes or no? From here, foot to top of the tower. He is asking what is the height of tower. Height of tower from here to your foot. Yes or no? Everyone clear? This is your height of the tower, right? As I told you in our introduction classes, whatever maximum, most of the time, what right angle, what angle triangle will use? Right? No, what triangle will use? This is what? Right angle triangle. Here it will be what? This is fixed for 90 degrees. I told you people get theta can be here or theta can be here also. Now as my angle is fixed, I am looking from here, I am looking at top of the tower. If this is my top of the tower, what is this side called as? This is called as, very good, opposite This is my opposite side. This is fixed for what? Hypotenuse. And this is what? This is what? Adjacent side. Opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse. Right? Now, what we have to do? We have to find what? Opposite side. To find opposite side, he'll give you one side, either hypotenuse or adjacent. You have to develop relationship between what is given and what he is asking. What he gave? Adjacent. What he is asking? Opposite. Now you have to out of now next step is picking out the correct ratio. Which ratio you have to pick out? Out of all the ratios, we have sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. Opposite and adjacent relationship is given by which ratio? Tan theta. Tan theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. You can use tan, you can use cot also. Cot is what? Adjacent by opposite, right? Ratios में we are picking the right one. Right one is what? Tan theta. You can pick tan theta also or cot theta also. If we choose tan theta, see, I'll do it here. Now, what is tan theta formula? Tan theta is what? Opposite side by adjacent adjacent side. What is theta? Theta I already gave you. Theta is what? Tan 45 degrees equal to, when I am here, this is my opposite. Opposite I don't know. So I'll take it as height of the tower, let it be h. H, you can take it anything. Height starts with h, so we are taking it as h. Now opposite was h by what is my adjacent side? 15. Right? 15 meters, or you can write. What is tan 45? Tan 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. As we have studied in trigonometry chapter, before chapter. What is that? Tan 0? Tan 0 is what? 0. 30 is 1 by root 3. 45 is 1. Sorry, 60 is root 3. And what is 90? Right? Now, 45 is what? 1? H by? Now what you have to find? You have to find height. H. What you will do? You will cross multiply. H into 1 is what? H. 15 ones is 15 meters. What is the height of the tower? Therefore, we say height of the tower is what? Tower is what? 15 meters. You have to write this unit also. Without writing unit, you will not get the marks. Unit is very important. After writing 15, you have to write meters. 15 meters he gave, no? If he is giving centimeters, your answer will become what? Centimeter. Whatever units he gave in question versus your answers. Right? Meters, meters. Clear? Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Right. Copy. You take this as given. What is given in question? Writing what is given and what is asking, developing this ratio. Which ratio you have to choose? Application of trigonometry may depicting the question, drawing the correct diagram, correct triangle, correct theta, and specifying the sides. After that, which ratio you have to select. This is very important. Then that is normal calculation. Anyhow, you will get that. Right? Diagram and ratio. These two are very important. Getting everyone? Right? So,